Hi, my name is Mimi and welcome back to my channel, Untwisted. Today is the second video in kind of a three-part series that I'm doing about being on this 30-day hair detox, no butters, no oils challenge for 365 days now, or 1 year. So 1 year later, just want to share my experience. I previously shared the salon visit. In this video, I'm going to share 4 of the hair care practices I left behind. And the next video, I'm just going to troll the comment sections on some videos and respond based on what my experience has been over this last year. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing I gave up or haven't done in the last 365 days is protective styling. I didn't give it up intentionally, so I wasn't like, oh, I'm not gonna protective style for a whole year. I just looked up and was like, well, damn, this is like the first time in probably like 20 years that I haven't done a protective style in over a year. Because I love me some braids. I love me some braids. I love the way they look. I love that I don't have to do much to my hair. I love that I know what my hair is gonna look like when I wake up. I love me some braids, but it's just like my hair care routine got so simple, and I kind of like washing my hair. I like the feeling of water, you know, going through my scalp. It relaxes me after a long day. So I look forward to washing my hair at least once, and it's really more like twice a week for me. So I didn't go into protective style because I was enjoying the experience of taking care of my hair that way. Yeah, the first time in 20 years where I have not had a protective style. That doesn't mean I will never protect style again, but I've been able to nicely incorporate this hair care routine into my lifestyle without the need or even the desire, because I desired more to wash my hair once a week than I desired to have the braids at this point. So here we are. So that was the first thing I haven't done in 365 days that I would normally do. The second thing I didn't do this year was blow out or straighten my hair. Truth be told, I never really liked wearing my hair straight. Like even when I was in relaxers, like I would get curls in my hair. Like when I was a little girl, like I liked the Shirley Temple curls. Once I got to like high school, I put my hair up in the bun a lot because I never really liked the way my hair looked straight. And the only reason I would straighten it when I was natural was because I felt like I had to straighten it to see the health and cut the ends and what have you. I had gotten into the chair of a stylist, and she's been taking care of my trims, so I haven't had a need to straighten my hair at all. So I haven't used heat besides the hooded dryer to style my hair, and that is definitely different. Again, in the 20 years that I've been doing my own hair, in the 365 days, even when I was natural, I would definitely blow dry and or flat iron my hair at least once to see the health and the progress of my hair. So that is the second thing I didn't do in the last 365 days, is like heat styling with direct heat. The third thing I have not done in the last year, which is kind of related to the heat styling, is cut my own hair. I will not cut my own hair again. My plan is to keep going to a stylist to routinely have trims. I found a stylist that I trust, and I hope she plans to keep her salon open for a long time, so I don't have to search for another stylist anytime in the near future. So I have been getting my hair cut curly, and like I said, since she's able to maintain my hair without blow drying it, without flat ironing it, but still cutting it into a shape, that is the path that I'm on for now. So the last 365 days, I have not trimmed my own hair, which is something I would do probably at least once a year. So was that the second? That was the third thing. That was the third thing I have not done in the last year since I started the 30-day hair detox. The fourth thing is big. The fourth thing is big because I thought these things were helping my hair. So the fourth thing I haven't done in the last year were DIYs. Some of the DIYs that I used to do in the past were probably harmless. Like, you know, mixing a flaxseed gel, probably harmless. Making a homemade whipped shea butter cream elixir, it could cause buildup, but at the end of the day, I don't think it would harm your hair. The two things that I was doing that I think was setting me back big time that I have not done in the last 365 days are clay and henna. And henna is like almost heartbreaking because I was doing henna almost immediately after I transitioned. So I think I had my last relaxer sometime in 2011. I actually went back to receipts. I purchased my first henna in 2011. So from 2011 to 2021, I guarantee you I was using henna at least once a year, and it was from a reputable source. I was doing all the right steps. I was doing all the right things with henna. Even starting the 30-day hair detox, I was like, henna can't be bad. Like, henna can't be bad. Even though I've never reached my hair goals, or I was like, watch me, I'm gonna do this with henna. And I actually put henna in my hair because I was like, I'm gonna show like these Cutty Kinky stylists that henna doesn't damage everybody's hair. And when I got in Dianelle's chair, she's like, nope, here's the damage, here's the knot, here's the split. And we're just talking about my general hair, practices. And the likely culprit was henna. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna listen to Dianelle and I'm gonna stop using the henna. And since I used to stop using the henna, I can see how much my hair has grown. So all the gray in my hair is new growth since last year. Because last time I henna was literally like maybe a week before I went to go see Dianelle. I was like, well, when I saw how much grays I had, I was like, well, dang, like my hair grows at a very normal rate. So that henna was likely setting me back. I don't know yet because I still have henna in, so I'm still trimming it off just to see what the culprit of, not being able to retain length is. But my hair grows plenty over the course of a year. So I almost regret using henna for all that time. I wish I would have just given my hair a chance to flourish before adding henna into my routine, or I had just gone completely natural before adding henna so I can decide. I wish I wouldn't have jumped into the hype too soon. So I have regrets about henna. I know I've seen other people's hair. I know it works beautifully for some of them. But for me, I gave henna like 10, 11 years. Well, 2011. So 2011 to 2021. So I gave henna 10 years. I'm out the game. I'm out the henna game. Like, henna was not getting me towards my hair goals. I'm going to continue to see what my hair does without henna. I'm on the fence about whether I'm going to dye it or not because I don't want to have to grow out gray hair twice. Like, I don't mind having gray hair. I don't really like this two-tone thing where, the roots are really gray and the ends are a different color. I don't want to have to go through that phase again. So I doubt, I have no plans for dye in the near future. None. So that's me and henna. And the other DIY that I would not do again, that I haven't done the last year, that I would probably do at least once a year, was clay. So I thought clay was the detox. I was a co-washer, minimize the use of shampoo, go in with a clay treatment to like get everything out because it's more gentle and all this other stuff. I got a whole video about clay and detoxing, but I'm out that game too. If I feel my hair needs a deep clean, I am reaching for a clarifying shampoo, or I'm doing a hard water treatment. I am out the clay game. Out, done, nada, zilch, goodbye. Yeah, so in the last 365 days, everything I've used has been purchased from a store. I have not mixed up any concoctions. I can't say I'll never do a DIY again, but I'm never doing henna again. I'm never doing clay again. Done, 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 done. Very done with those two things. And let me just say, I respect the culture that goes around henna. I respect Ayurveda. I've read books on Ayurveda. I have like some supplements with ashwagandha. So it's not like, it's no disrespect to the culture. So those are the 4 things that I got rid of besides the butters and oils out of my routine. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it down below. Thanks for watching.